Hi, welcome to Beanie Crochet. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this ribbed pom-pom hats for a baby 0 to 3 month size. I'm using a medium weight yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. Make a slip knot, chain 9 inches. So depending on the yarn you're using and the hook size, just make sure it's 9 inches. Skip the first stitch and make 1/2 double crochet into the second stitch. You're going to be making 1/2 double crochet into each stitch all along. I've completed my row 1. I'm going to chain 1, turn your work, and we're going to be working in the back loops. So you see there are 2 lines forming a V. You're going to go through the back loop. So make 1 double crochet into the back loop of the first stitch. Mark it with your stitch marker. You're going to make 1/2 double crochet into each back loop all along. I'm on my last stitch and I'm going to make my last 1/2 double crochet to the back loop. So row 2 is done. You're going to chain 1, turn your work, and we're going to repeat the same thing. Make 1/2 double crochet into the first stitch. We are going to be repeating this till we have the full length of our hat. So we are working in the back loops only. So we are going to be repeating row 3 until our hat length measures 13 to 14 inches. So I'm on the last stitch. So usually when you measure it this way, it looks smaller. So I like to measure it on the edge. Do not stretch it, just leave it as it is and measure it this way, and this will give you the accurate measurements. So you're now going to fold over and join the 2 edges. So you're going to chain 1, and we are going to go through the front loops instead of the back loops. So the front loop, and then we're going to go through both loops of our foundation chain and make a slip stitch. So So front loop, go through your foundation chain, make a slip stitch. You're going to do that to join both sides of the piece till the end. So chain 1 and then fasten off. Make sure you fasten off long enough to weave in the end of the hat. I'm now going to use a darning needle or the yarn needle to close the other end of the hat. So we are going to go through the double crochets at the edges of the hat. You're going to go in and out to form a running stitch. Once you're done, you're going to pull your end to close the gap. And then use your needle to sew it in together. Fastening off and weave in all your ends. So our hat is ready, and we are going to fold over the edge like this, about 2 inches or 1.5 inches, and the total hat length should now measure 5.5 inches. For the pom-pom, I'm going to be using these 3 colors. I'm going to be using my pom-pom maker. I'll leave the link to it in the description box. I'm now going to sew on my pom-pom to the hat. You can sew it on to the middle like this, or like I did for this hat, or you can put it on each side like so. So for this project, I'm going to put it on each side. So I'm going to make 2 of that and sew it to each side. And we are going to now sew on the other pom-pom as well. Your hat is now ready, and this makes a lovely newborn gift or as a photo prop. Thank you for watching.